Hindi ko magbibiro, pero trying to process.
Emotional dyan. Mag-ready na kayo ng mga tissue nyo dyan. Okay? So mga medyo emotional. Alam ko, we have been in that emotion since nangyari ito. So, hindi na ako mag-aate sa'yo, Dorothy. Are you ready? Ready na? Okay.
Must be torn apart before we realize. I also recognize that we are saddened when we heard about FPRRD's remark about God. Yes, it was painful. And who knows? That must be.
For your communication and everything from yesterday to today sa program. This is a
If shooter abolished the ROTC. Na walang nag-ROTC, walang alam kung sino mag-awag.
Always.
Dito ka na lang. Oo, nanay, dito na lang. Yan.
Doon naman. Okay, I've seen some of our relatives. We in attendance and my friends are here to show their gestures of support to our beloved Mayor, Mayor Ateneo de Davao College, the Rizal Memorial College. Here we are.
Being balanced.
Please stand up. Who doesn't understand like Tagalog and Bisaya? Please stand up. Let's begin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
I am from Cebu, so mabuhay ang mga Bisaya. Now, this is not about me. This is about our former president. Gusto ko lang sabihin that being a former journalist for so long, that President Rodrigo Duterte was the first president who did a executive order that he signed when he became president. And alam niyo po, ano yung executive order number 1? Ang executive order number 1 po.
Organizers, thank you. Thank you.
Actually, this is not just me, but dapat kanina. Anyway, just jokes lang yun, ha? Pero, before inaaris pa nila, I would really like, first,
parang upang tayo magkasama-sama Pilipino. Wala itong Bisaya, Tagalog o whatever. As a Filipino, kaya nandito tayong lahat, magkakaisa tayo. Yun ang kasabihan doon. As a Filipino.
Kasi iba yung ano eh. Sorry ha. Yan yung may bahay. Try natin. Bahay kubo. Bahay kubo. Himon man may laya. Aking kaibigan. Makita ang sadaya.
Unity and unwavering faith that fuels God. They are a reminder that we are more than individuals. We are a community, united by a shared purpose, united by a
Masama po ang loob natin, di ba? Pero ito na po ang tanging natin paraan para makinggan. 1, 2,